News that's coming in at the moment. There has been a big revelation with regards to the death of the Congress workers. The autopsy report has been accessed by India Today. No injury marks on Congress workers' bodies. Workers lied. Workers were in fact unconscious for at least 2 hours at the Congress headquarters. Congress netas did not rush the victim to the hospital. Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has now asked the police to grill Uttar Pradesh Congress chief Ajay Rai with regards to the death of a Congress worker. Congress workers were protesting in the city of Lucknow. They were marching towards the Raj Bhavan. One of the Congress leaders has lost his life. The Congress said that it was due to the police brutality, and now the autopsy report shows that there were no injury mark on the body of the Congress worker. In fact, it was the Congress worker who was unconscious for at least 2 hours at the Congress headquarters. My colleague Samarth is now joining me on the story. Samarth, the autopsy report is now pointing towards something else. From what we understand, the worker was unconscious for at least 2 hours at the Congress headquarters in the city of Lucknow.
We have to understand the theory, what actually happened yesterday. Congress party, in a way, started a protest for the Vidhan Sabha Gherav, the assembly, in a way to encircle the Uttar Pradesh assembly, because as we know the winter session is going on, and in terms of various special issues by the Congress party including Jhansi, Bahraich, Sambhal, they planned to encircle the UP assembly, and for that matter many workers of Congress party were called from different districts of Uttar Pradesh, from Noida, from Muzaffarnagar, from Gorakhpur. 28-year-old Prabhat Pandey was also one such Karyakarta, the Congress worker who came from Gorakhpur to Lucknow to participate in the protest. Now the Congress UP chief Ajay Rai claims that it is the police lathi charge and the atrocity which killed the 28-year-old boy, while the FIR filed in a way registered by the family says that nobody from Congress office sent that particular boy to the hospital. We are present at the Congress party office where the entire crime scene is and where the 28-year-old Prabhat Pandey reached. First will be the visuals from behind this particular area, because this is the crime scene. You can clearly see a lot of beds out here placed, because they were all placed inside the room to ensure that no worker could have any such problem in spending a night or taking rest before the protest. And also, this is one place, also the crime scene, which we got to know from the sources, where the Prabhat Pandey was lying unconscious for around 1 to 2 hours as per the FIR at this particular place of the Congress party office, and nobody tried to, in a way, ask whether he is okay or not. That's what's written in the FIR. And then few of his friends reached there and tried to speak to him. He was found unconscious, and later then few of his friends along with few Congress workers took him from here and moved to the civil hospital, where he was called broad dead. That's the theory which is being given by the family and the police as well. But UP Congress chief Ajay Rai says that he was participating in this particular protest, and that's why, due to police lathi charge and also due to the edgy barricades that were placed around, he suffered injuries and died. Ajay Rai says that Congress will give financial assistance of rupees 10 lakh and government must give financial assistance of rupees 1 crore to the family and a government job. Now the question is, the police team have also reached here. Number one, because police team has also started interrogation from the Congress workers, Congress leaders in Lucknow. Yesterday night also police team reached here, and today also in the morning few policemen are around this particular office. CCTV cameras also installed at the Congress party office will be seen, will be checked by the police team, as they know that something was not right in this particular matter, and that's why these cameras will also be checked by the police. Though UP Congress chief currently is in Gorakhpur to meet the family of the deceased Prabhat Pandey, who was just 28-year-old. The family have some different claims. Also, UP Deputy CM Brijesh Pathak has said that Congress must not politicize this particular event. He says that one of its family members, Prabhat Pandey, called Brijesh Pathak, and then he reached the civil hospital. Now it's going to be worth seeing how this case moves on, because in this particular area where Ajay Rai sits, we saw a lot of policemen moving around and tried to interrogate few congressmen also yesterday night, but currently today the scenario is quite different, and that's why the police team came here and interrogated few members, and they are now waiting for UP Congress chief for coming back Lucknow, and then the interrogation will start yet again.
Thank you, Samarth. My colleague who's right at the AICC headquarters, that's the place where the unconscious Congress worker was on the floor for at least 2 hours. Now, a big controversy with regards to the death of the Congress worker. Let's listen in to all the reactions coming in.
মানে শৰীৰত কোনো ধৰণৰ আঘাত ব্যক্তিজনৰ নাই আৰু এতিয়া পোষ্টমৰ্টেম হ'ব। পোষ্টমৰ্টেম হোৱাৰ পিছত বিশেষজ্ঞসকলে ক'ব যে মৃত্যুৰ কাৰণটো কি, তাৰ পিছতহে আমি মৃত্যুৰ কাৰণটো গম পাম। কিন্তু এটা কথা ঠিক যে আজি প্ৰতিবাদী সমদলত সেই ব্যক্তিজনে ভাগ লৈছিলে।
आज दिनांक 18 दिसंबर 2024 को समय लगभग शाम 5 बजे एक व्यक्ति प्रभात पांडे पुत्र दीपक पांडे उम्र लगभग 28 वर्ष जो कि गोरखपुर के निवासी हैं, उनको कांग्रेस कार्यालय परिसर से बेहोशी की हालत में सिविल हॉस्पिटल थाना हजरतगंज क्षेत्र में लाया गया, जिनको डॉक्टर्स द्वारा ब्रॉड डेड डिक्लेयर किया गया है। प्रथम दृष्टया डॉक्टर्स के अनुसार कोई भी जाहिरा चोट उनके शरीर पर नहीं पाई गई है। इसके अतिरिक्त वीडियोग्राफी के साथ एक पैनल के माध्यम से उनकी पोस्टमार्टम की कार्रवाई करवाई जाएगी और तदनुसार अग्रिम विधिक कार्रवाई पुलिस द्वारा अमल में लाई जाएगी।
हमारा यूथ कांग्रेस का पूर्व सचिव रहा और निश्चित ये वहाँ पर जो आज जिस अफरा तफरी का माहौल था, आप देख सकते हैं, मैं स्वयं बेहोश हो गया था। तो हमारे धक्का मुक्की इतनी की गई, उसमें बेहोश हुआ होगा मुझे लगता है। और वहाँ पर जब यहाँ ले आए लोग हॉस्पिटल में, डॉक्टर ने यहाँ पे मृत घोषित किया है। जिस तरीके की मिसहैंडलिंग हुई है, तो उससे ये साबित होता है कि निश्चित तौर से ये पूरी तरीके से ये सरकार पूरी तरीके से प्रताड़ित करना चाह रही है, परेशान कर रही है और हमारे कार्यकर्ता चला।
कांग्रेस पार्टी को स्वयं बताना चाहिए कि नौजवानों को बरगला करके कैसे वो कार्यालय में ले जाते हैं और किस प्रकार से उनकी डेथ हुई है, और कोई लाठीचार्ज में नहीं हुआ है, कोई पुलिस से घटना नहीं घटी है, केवल अपनी फेस सेविंग के लिए इस प्रकार की बयानबाजी कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग कर रहे हैं।